Hey guys, my name is Brian Lottie. Sorry if my presentations aren't exactly standing up. I'm uh, currently stationed in Poland, um, so I'm going to be doing everything in a tent because I'm not even in a barracks. So I apologize for that, but I hope you enjoy the presentations that I give. So, what is my best and worst experience with speaking in public? I think my worst one was actually when I was on the debate team in high school, and they would ask me topics, and I kind of just screwed off during it and just kind of read news articles, and hopefully I could just come up with something. Um, my best experience has probably been as a NCO, a non-commissioned officer in the Army. I've been an NCO for, let's see, 2018. So a little bit over about a year and a half now. Just talking to my guys, and as I go up the ranks, essentially giving directions and stuff and taking charge of different situations that occur. My goals for this class, I don't really have many as aside from make sure that I get a good grade in it and I learn how to speak just a little bit better. And then how do I think God can use my verbal and nonverbal communication skills to influence others? I think on my side, it's not going to be so much verbal as nonverbal communication, just being able to show empathy and um, appreciate others' different situations that they undergo. It's I'm not very good at verbal. I think it's more because I struggle with how I relate to things that people don't always understand, like what exactly it is that I'm trying to communicate. So I think that's where the nonverbal portion, my body language, is going to pick up and show a little bit more about what I'm actually feeling, and people can try and relate to that a little bit better. So this is my introduction. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'm looking forward to class with you guys.